Yo, what it do, guys? Welcome back to one of the videos. Today we'll be working on the shit box. Yes, again. But I'm gonna be changing out my valve gasket, but I do want to paint the cover. But shout out to the sponsor right here. I have used their product on my brakes on the GTR, the yellow ones. I don't know if you guys ever seen them, but I'll be changing it up to this color right here. Look at that. Woo! So technically, if it does work on the brakes, it should work on my valve, my engine cover and my harness bar. I'm gonna be painting it white, so you know they had to hook me up with white. Let's get it. Let's go. Yo, so look at that. Looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna start painting this one real quick. This one I'm gonna probably give it a couple more layers, but it looks hella white. It looks kind of like my shirt. Well, it's kind of dirty, but look at that. Hell yeah.
HT made the wave.
All right, so I have a couple coats on it. Look how white that looks. Looks pretty good. All right, I'm about to head to the gym and I'm gonna finish this all tomorrow because I gotta get to the valve gasket. Cover is off and I'm about to paint it, but I'm about to clean all this inside. Yeah, check it. Look how dirty it is. This is the blacktop. The good thing about this paint, you actually don't have to sand it down because they basically put your prep wipes and your base coat. So technically this holds really well on my brakes. It should hold on this because look, check out my brakes. Look, see, they're just dirty, but it's been holding really good. And I've had a problem with them or any chipping or anything. It's just dirty, but you can kind of see how clean they are. And yeah, so technically it should work. So let's go ahead and try it.
Shut up, Martin. This is really stupid. Shut up, Martin. This is really stupid.
This is officially painted. I'm about to take these off. Then I'm gonna start on this right here so we can go ahead and get both of the coats on this. So let's get it. Let's go. This is how it looks for a couple coats. You can kind of see the little gloss on it. Looking pretty good. So I'm gonna give it out maybe until I finish this can and then another more coats. Then we'll start the blue. But look at that gloss on it, boy. That should look nice. All right, let's keep it going. The color I'm gonna be using is this teal. I already have the base coat on. So let's go ahead and get the first one with you boys. Look how that's gonna look. Now let's go ahead and get some sprays. So for some reason my phone didn't record it, but this is how it's looking so far. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna just keep spraying with a couple more sprays and the color should be popping out a little bit more. You can still see the base. So yeah, let me let it dry and we'll keep it going. This is how it's looking. Look at all that little gloss right there. So far everything's looking pretty good. I do have some extra clear coat, so I'm gonna put this on this. You guys might not have this, so you know, just look it up, check it out. But yeah, looking pretty good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna let it dry and we'll spray the clear coat on it. The best thing about this product, like I said, is like plastic dip. See? So if you mess up, you can easily fix it. So far, this is how it's looking. Looks pretty good. Came out nicer than I expected. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside there, because I do got to change out the valve gasket. I got everything right here. Have it covered. So yeah, I'll put it back tonight and I'll show you guys in the morning. So the moment of truth, how did it come out? So let's give it. Look at that. I did want to go get this because it's like the color scheme I'm trying to go for. And I also got this one right here. Look, check it out. And I also got one right over here. But yeah, looks really good. I love it. It's just a little bit dirty, so I'm about to clean it up for you. And I'm about to give you some B-roll. So yeah, let's get it. So yeah, everything's basically done. The only thing I'm actually missing is for the clutch, the little piece right there, maybe the strut bar here. Oh, the coil pack. I really want to go buy that, but unfortunately they didn't have it. So stay tuned for that one because I really got to put it on. And next video, we're going to be relocating the battery to the back. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go. See you guys in the next video.